Hey everyone, welcome back to the Veti ride. So this weekend we are going to a totally different place with a completely different vibe. It's going to be a farm tour. The main reason behind we choosing this place is Pradnya. During this lockdown, many had a lifestyle change. It might be different for each one, but for my bestie, it was all about choosing a healthy lifestyle. From yoga to early morning walks to following an amazing routine. Amongst these habits, the most commendable lifestyle change she chose was to know what was going into her food and what she consumes on a daily basis. This she achieved by switching to organic foods. With that, many would also have a doubt if it is really organic or it's an eye wash. But we got an opportunity to clarify this. So Pradnya buys all these organic products from a company called Bharat Rath. So what Bharat Rath did was, they chose their most loyal customers and offered them a day tour of their farm. And one of the most privileged customers was Pradnya and her family. Isn't that great? So without any expectation, we started with the trip with the curiosity to know what they had to offer us. Also with that, it was a holiday for Himalayan and we all started the trip by car. If you see the location of the farm, it's a complete different landscape. It's located around 60 kilometers from the Pune city. We can already feel that this place is an extremely unexplored place. We got lost locating the farm and accidentally found out that there was a dam nearby. This came to us as a surprise, but we loved it. It was a huge dam, and by looking at this gorgeous place, we kind of forgot why we came here. Realizing that it was the farm we had to search for, we used the dam as a landmark and found Alok, who was a Spock and a co-founder of Bharat Rath. He then walked us all the way to the location. And once we reached, we saw the farm to be at a perfect place. So cozy, really clean, and didn't expect it to be so welcoming. There were already two families who were preparing food for us, and as soon as we entered, we got a heartwarming welcome by them. The kind of welcome only your families could give you. We have been to dams, mountains, and many offbeat places before, but this was a different experience altogether. There was someone to welcome us this way for the very first time. That did make us feel special. Immediately after, they served us healthy and organic parathas. We enjoyed the breakfast cooked with love. After having that much needed tea, we got a chance to interact with Alok to know about his vision.
मेरा फील्ड चेंज, मैं एक्स आर्मी हूँ और संदीप एक्स बैंकर है। तो जब हमने स्टार्ट किया तो हमें पता नहीं था कि मतलब करना क्या है। फिर हम लोगों ने एक साल तो जस्ट हम लोग पूरा इंडिया घूमते रहे कि ये करना क्या है। तो होता था कि मतलब फार्मर जो है वो कांदा लेके आ रहा है और यहाँ पे आके वो रोडों पे फेंक देता है, तो एटलीस्ट फार्मर्स को कुछ वैल्यू मिलनी चाहिए। तो वो पर्पस से वो इनिशिएट करके हम लोगों ने भारत रथ स्टार्ट किया था। और सेम वैसे ही तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, जैसे हम लोग पुणे में हम लोग बेस्ड हैं, तो हम लोग यहाँ आजू बाजू का जो एरिया है वहाँ से हम लोग टाई अप कर रहे हैं कि कितनी चीज़ें ऐसी जगह से जहाँ पॉल्यूशन नहीं है, ऐसी जगह से हम प्रिक्योर करके हम अपने कस्टमर को दे सकें। तो अगर आपको भारत रथ के प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर करने हैं तो आप www.bharatrath.com पे जा सकते हैं और हमारा भारत रथ ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं।
We were really glad to meet him and know about his thoughts on getting the village grown healthy food to the people in the cities. He and his team were trying to fill the gap between these two worlds while helping the local farmers with their small businesses. They also took us on their farm tour, explaining us about its speciality and the type of vegetation being done. They allowed us to pluck the fruits we liked and eat. Guava has a different taste in every city, but this one was so juicy and delicious. People of Pune and nearby places, please make a note of their email addresses and details and try getting that little change in your lifestyle which is now reachable to every house easily by Bharat Rath. The air seemed to be pollution free. The food we ate from this place was coupled with nature's goodness. Contamination seemed to be negligible. The place in all gave us a positive vibe. After the farm tour, they took us to the dam. There were few families who joined who really seemed to be having a lot of fun, especially for the kids. They had ample space to play around, they met new friends, they got a bullock cart ride, and finally, the most exciting spot for the day, the dam. They enjoyed for sure, so did we. We enjoyed the place, the food, the freshness, and the people. See you guys soon on our next video. Until then, do subscribe to our channel for more travel updates, and more importantly, don't forget to take care of yourself.